Hello viewers. So this one is one of the maths problem that causes a lot of headache. So people are getting different answers regarding this maths problem. So I want us to solve it within the shortest time possible by looking at the approach that the mistakes that people made and how the quickest way you can use to solve this particular maths problem. So let's now start with the solution. So on our solution, so this one is what we have. So suppose we are having such a maths problem, so meaning that it is composed of several mixed numbers. Here we have the subtraction, here we have the multiplication, division, and also addition. So the maths problem here is now we have 4 minus 2, then multiply by 12, divide by 4, plus 4. So you will be shocked by the kind of answers that some were getting. So it means that there were some of the rules that they didn't follow. So also with you, please share with us the answers that you've got on this problem. So just pause the video and share the answer. So before us having to work it out and later on share our values or our feedback. So on this problem, the tricky part of it that you are supposed to do first, we need to identify the order out of the operations first. So that's why we have something that is called the BODMAS. So the BODMAS is helpful in working out this maths problem. Where now B stands for the bracket. So as you can see on this particular problem, there is no bracket. So it is wrong for us to start working it out from this other end by having 4 minus 2, then getting 4 minus 2 in an improper way. So 4 minus 2, someone will get 2, then 2 times 2, they'll get 24, then 24 divided by 4, they shall get something like 6, then 6 plus 4 is 10. So 10 is not the correct answer by working out. So if at all you get 10, so 10 is not the correct answer because you have not followed the correct procedure. So the correct procedure I'm about to share it with you by now taking the BODMAS. B stands for the bracket, O stands for of. So these two are not there. There's no bracket, there's no of. An example, when you have 1 over 2 of 4, okay, and then we also have plus 1. So you're supposed to work out the of first by now saying that this one can also be meant when working it out by having a half multiplied by 4 plus 1. So in other words, it means this way. So in this case, you shall have 2 here ones, 24, 2, and 2 plus 1 is 3. So possibly our answer is 3 in this case. So we don't have the D, that is O, that stands for of. So we only have the division. So let's now start by working the division. So we shall all write all this, but here when it reaches as the division, that is what now we shall work out first. So here now we shall have 4 minus 2, then multiply by, so let's work out the division. 12 divided by 4, now is 3. So now we shall have 3, then 3 plus 4. So we now have it there in the correct way. So the next step that we do, we've worked out the division. Now we are moving to the multiplication, where now we shall now have 4 minus, so 2 multiplied by 3. Now we shall have 6, then finally 6 plus 4. Okay. Here now from there, we see, so we can rearrange it by now having here now say we have 4, then 4 plus 4, then finally minus 6. So 4 plus 4, we shall have 8, then 8 minus 6, 8 minus 6, our value is 2. So now you can see that when you worked it out very clearly, our final answer arrives as 2.